The soul is a feminine name in Hebrew, Greek and Coptic. The soul is the natural body, and in the Bible the soul is sometimes our desires or the rational mind. Sin is born of the soul. See the letter of James chapter 3 and verse 15, reading from Rotherham's Emphasized Bible. This wisdom is not one from above, coming down, but is earthly, born of the soul, demonical. Therefore it is within our souls that we give birth to desire, sin, and death. Thus the soul, our desires, or the rational mind, is a female principle within us. Reading now from 1st century Jewish philosopher Philo of Alexandria. Now the female offspring of the soul are wickedness and passion, but a healthy state of the passions and virtue is male. James chapter 1 and verse 13 to 15. Let no man say when he is tempted, I am tempted of God, for God cannot be tempted with evil, neither tempteth he any man, but every man is tempted when he is drawn away of his own lust and enticed. Then when lust has conceived, it brings forth sin, and sin, when it is fully grown, brings forth death. Sin gives birth to death. Psalm chapter 7 and verse 14. Look, there is one that is pregnant with what is hurtful, and he has conceived trouble and is bound to give birth to falsehood. The language of childbearing in connection with lust and sin is echoed in the letter of James, which I have just previously read. So wicked men bring forth children, that is sin, after their own likeness, and are thus known by their fruits. See Galatians chapter 5, verses 19 to 21, Romans chapter 1, verses 29 to 31, 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verses 9 and 10, and Matthew chapter 7, verses 16 to 20.